So this is the current predicament that Spencer's gotten us into again. So this will be how to get unstuck in sand, Baja bug style. And there's the river! Let's see, 3 feet away, not even 2. So we're stuck on the motor again. and a crap ton of sand. Oh, look at that! Look who's prepared this time! Oh my god! Oh shit, I'm in the river. Yep. There's my bud friend. Digger man. It's just so like mushy.
It's like a slide.
Second set.
I need to get new shoes. Just get my bug out of the hole.
I picked the right way.
I picked the right day to wear lime and tequila socks. That's what off-roading does to you. You lose all your shoes. Well, at least she started. Oh, fancy, fancy. Flings it back into the river.
That's probably what it's going to be.
Well,
And then they'll be lost.
we tried. I'm still on one shoe. My other one's over there. Oh, it's grabbing. Let me see if I can push you out, baby. You guys, we made it out. Oh, I can't believe it. This is where we were stuck. Oh man. Was it worth it? Oh wow, and it's starting to rain. Good thing we got the bug out. Well, you totally failed there. You almost forgot something. Got a lovely shot of your ass. I've got it. Nothing. Alright, so we're out. It's always an adventure in the dust buggy. What can I say? Alright, Dusty Crew, I just want to go over some real quick last second thing. Number one, if you get into a situation like this, do not panic. The first thing you're going to want to do is floor it or something. Don't do it. When you lose traction and you floor it, you're just going to get yourself more stuck and possibly so stuck that you can't get yourself out. Number two, start looking around. Find anything you can to gain leverage, traction, momentum, anything. Most of the time when you get stuck, it's because the ground you're on is unstable and you need to find something that's going to help you get out of that area onto more stable ground. And number three, be aware of your surroundings. You don't want to get more stuck or possibly in an even worse situation than you are. Look around and it doesn't look like it's possible for you to get out, then move on to number four, which is going to be when in doubt, call a buddy to help you out. We have a couple friends on retainer that can help pull us out, fortunately, because we do get ourselves stuck quite a bit if you've been watching us. I think it's what, 4 times almost in the last couple months. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for
all future Dust Buggy videos.